a radioactive substance decays according to the formula N is equal to A e to the minus lambda t, where t is the time in years and n is the number of atoms left in the time at time t. The initial amount of atoms is 4.8 times 10 to the 24 atoms, and after 10 years there will only be 1.2 times 10 to the 20. Calculate A and lambda, correct three significant figures, and B the half-life of the substance using the values found in part A. So we've got that N is equal to A e to the minus lambda t. When t is equal to 0, N is equal to 4.8 times 10 to the 24. So 4.8 times 10 to the 24 is equal to A e to the minus lambda times 0. And anything times 0 is 0. And we know from our rules of indices that A to the 0 is 1. So all this bit here will be 1. And therefore we're just left with that A is equal to 4.8 times 10 to the 24. So our formula will now become N is equal to 4.8 times 10 to the 24 times e to the minus lambda t. When t is equal to 10, N will be equal to 1.2 times 10 to the 20. So we've got 1.2 times 10 to the 20 is equal to 4.8 times 10 to the 24 e to the minus lambda times 10. So that's going to give me 0.000025 is equal to e to the minus 10, which is what I've got to solve. But I know from my rules of indices that a to the c is equal to b implies that c is log a of b. So the base is going to be e, and we write log to the base e as ln. So we're going to have that minus 10 lambda is equal to the ln of 0.00025. So lambda will be equal to minus ln of 0.000025 divided by 10. And that gives me answer 1.059966, which, correct for three significant figures, is 1.06. Now we want the half-life, so our formula is now this. N is equal to 4.8 times 10 to the 24 e, and we're told to use the values given in part A, so that's going to be minus 1.06 t. So the half-life will be half of this. Half of 4.8 times 10 to the 24 is 2.4 times 10 to the 24 is equal to 4.8 times 10 to the 24 times e to the minus 1.06 t. So taking that over there, we just get 0.5, which is half, which is what we expected, e to the minus 1.06 t. So b is equal to a to the c, implies that c is equal to log a of b. Therefore 1.06 t will be equal to ln, log to the base e, of 0.5. So t will be equal to minus ln of 0.5 times 1.06, which is equal to 0.654 years.